Thanks for joining me today. Today I got some more peppers I got to put in. I got a few hot ones and some mild ones. The ones I put in the last time were just bell peppers. These here are going to have a little bit of spice to them. Now I got these peppers about 3 weeks ago at Menards. They were $2 for 6 plants. I had the plants inside for a few weeks, and then I built a small box frame outside to put them outside till the season gradually warmed up. I tilled up a spot in the garden to make the planting a little easier. I'm going to run a string line to try to keep the row straight. Then I want to dig out this little small trench in the soil for the plants. Yeah, it'll probably be a couple weeks before I can see a difference in the growth of the plants. Usually it takes a little while when you first transplant them before they start moving along. But we had some pretty good weather the last couple days, 2-3 days ago, and the soil's still a little wet, so I think they'll be fine. Just got to keep checking them every day. Here's the tag on these. It's Anaheim, medium, Scoville heat, 2500. So at least it's not seriously hot, you know, so that won't be bad. Medium. Now, some of the plants suffered a little damage from the days of cold weather that we had. I decided just to plant them all anyway, just a little bit closer more than recommendations this time, just to see how the outcome is in the harvest. The ground's a little waterlogged from the rain we had, but if I don't compact the ground too much, I think the plants will be fine. Now I'm putting them about 1 foot apart with about 1.5 feet in the row space in between the rows. Yeah, when I got these peppers, I didn't realize that they were all hot peppers. Got these at Menards probably about 3 weeks ago, 3.5 weeks ago, and I was looking for the bell peppers, but when I got them home, I seen I had a bunch of hot peppers. But we'll try to use them, make some salsa or something out of them. I know I can't get the whole garden finished, but I have to take advantage of the time that I have on hand and the break in the weather. Now, I know they look a little close. If they don't do too good, I can always thin them out a few weeks down the road. We did manage to get a little break in the weather after a few days of rain, so give me a perfect time that I could get out here and try to get a little bit done. Yeah, a lot of the plants I put in this year, I put them in a lot closer, but also the weeds, you know, once the plants grow up, now there ain't no weeds. If they're intertwined with each other, it's going to kind of snuff out most of the weeds. At least that's my theory. I don't know. I'll see what happens. I want to thank everyone for watching and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate your support and following my channel. Thank you very much.